32. Lesson 32, number 2. It says that, there we go. The taskmaster can perform the task in 40 minutes. Aww. It starts with a T. Oh, that's okay. Right. Well, I don't like that it starts with a T. Can I make it be an M for master? Okay. The rate of the master, or the taskmaster, is 1 task in 40 minutes. Okay, and the apprentice can perform the task. Oh, we got the rate of the apprentice now. The rate of the apprentice is 1 task in, let's say, 60 minutes. Otherwise, we'd have to convert to hours, and then that would have fractions, or more fractions. How long will it take both to perform 5 tasks? I'm trying to make a 5. My hand didn't want to make a 5. 5 tasks working together if the taskmaster works 1 hour before. Okay, whenever one of them starts working before the other one, I like to keep the times equal. So I'm just going to find out how much this guy does and subtract it from my 5 before I even... 1.5? Oh, you already did it? Okay, so 5 minus 1.5 would be, is it 3.5? I write 3.5, let's see, 3 times 2 is 7.5. Okay. How did you get that 1.5?
60 minutes is an hour.
Mm-hmm.
He does it 1 task in 40 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to just take your word on that one. Okay, I usually set up some proportions and solve them. Do you guys all agree that that works? That doesn't agree. Okay, so let's check it. You want to see proof?
If it's 1.5.
Okay, the taskmaster works 1 hour before the apprentice. Okay, so taskmaster, he does 1 task is to 40 minutes at how many tasks is to 60 minutes? Or can I call it, I'll call it X. You see how I did that? 1 is to 40, 1 task happens in 40 minutes, so how many tasks happen in 60 minutes? And he's probably right. We got 60 times 1 is 60, 40 times X is 40X, divide by 40, this is a long way, and you get 6 over 4, right? So, and then that's 3 over 2, and that's 1.5. See, Alice rocks. So there's that. Okay, so now I'm going to say the rate times the time of the master plus the rate times the time of the apprentice is going to, so rate times time is distance, right? But in this case, it's task. Okay, so that however much the master does plus however much the apprentice does has to add up to 7/2. So, do we want to know how long they work together? We got the rates. The times are actually going to be the same, so I don't have to put the little M's and A's on them anymore. That guy's 1 over 60, which was 7/2. 1/40th plus 1/60th is, common denominator is 120. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5/20th t. And then multiply by the reciprocal. 120 over 5. See, and you can kind of read this and everything. This is, so far this is working better for me than on the board. Because I hope that this is going to make me not have to. 120 times 60, 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 12 is 60. 7 times 12 is 84. Is it just 84 though? What do you guys think? Should I check it? You guys don't believe my fraction math? I'm on this website. Let's check. Check the numbers. I have a good math day so far, so I haven't been making too many crazy. 84. Yes. You think it's 84? And so we don't need to. Math is right. the math is right, is the problem set up right?
Yeah.
So this was number 2 on lesson 32. Let's see. Lesson 32, number 2. Yeah, so we just gotta write minutes on it, and that's good. Okay, let's click.